because we are talking about food illnesses, and we did our own experiment to look into bacteria on the outside of fruit with skin on it. So up here, avocados, oranges, cantaloupe, and bananas. Nobody washes these, right? Because they've got that natural protectant. They've got the skin on them. You think you're protected, but don't always be so sure. We actually sent one of each of these to microbiologist Kathy Lehman at Labs Incorporated to find out if bacteria could be growing. So I have to tell you, your fruit may not have any of this, but here's what we found on ours. On the avocado, the lab found Staphylococcus, that's normal human bacteria, and nothing grew on the inside after cutting it open. That's why I have these next to me.
So to test this, Lab Inks actually put bacteria on the outside of the fruit, so that on the cantaloupe, so that you could see how the bacteria was transferred inside the cantaloupe.
So I should pretend that that's the bacteria there?
Exactly, and if you cut into it,
Gotta give it a
Knife.
saw.
you need like a...
Get your hands away from here. Get your hands away.
You want me to
It's
make
not
the
the
cut?
best knife. Yeah, let's get.
You know, and it's a great analogy. We all know we have bacteria on the skin.
And there you
And
go.
right.
You
Look,
cut
all
the
that bacteria.
skin.
You can see the bacteria has been transmitted into the inside. So those gram-negative bacteria that can be harmful, they're actually spread inside of, and that's how those bacteria get inside fruit. You would think they never would.
Yeah, there's been a lot of cases of illness from cut melon that just wasn't refrigerated and causes illness. Now, the oranges we tested had the same gram-negative bacteria as the cantaloupe. So bad news.
So wash them before you peel them, and bananas?
And here's what was on the bananas. And as expected, on the outside, we found 3 gram-negative rods, and all 3 can cause the same disease that we discussed. One in particularly commonly causes urinary tract infections or hospital-acquired pneumonias.
But I will say the ones that you can peel, I worry about a little less. The ones you're cutting through, you need to worry even more. So it's pretty simple, right? We can wash these bacteria off.
Easy.
Just running water, right?
Sure, I mean, you wouldn't think of washing your bananas, but why not? Just run them under the faucet, give it a little rub, and...
And you can even use a vegetable brush, because this can really work.
Really gets that
I'm gonna
bacteria.
rub my
Work that bacteria off. So before you cut into any of these fruit, go ahead and wash them off. Use a vegetable brush. Certainly very handy, easy to use.